Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Stephen Gage, and today my goal is to teach you the basics of commercial real estate investing. In this video, we'll unpack the essentials, from different property types to how cash flow is generated. Let's get started. We're going to start at the very top. What exactly is commercial real estate? Commercial real estate refers to properties used for business activities or those housing 5 or more living units. These types of properties include office spaces, hotels, retail spaces, multifamily buildings, industrial sites, flex warehouses, and more. These properties serve as powerful tools for generating income, whether that's through leasing space to businesses or providing homes to multiple residents. Before you start investing into specific types of properties, you need to understand property classes. Each type of property can be categorized under one of the following classes: Class A properties, Class B properties, and Class C properties. Class A properties are the highest quality properties on the market. These buildings have been typically built within the last 15 years, have the best aesthetics, have access to the best amenities, and stand in prime locations. Most of the time, we can find Class A buildings located in central business districts and densely populated areas. Class B properties, while still valuable, don't offer quite the same level of luxury as Class A buildings. These buildings are typically older than 15 years old, are smaller in size, and are typically outside of prime traffic areas. Class C properties are the lowest type property class. While they're much more affordable, they require much more upkeep, are generally older buildings, and may require significant improvements, and often located in less desirable areas. So why invest in commercial real estate? Regardless of which property class you're looking to invest in, there has to be a reason for your investment motivation. First and foremost, investing in commercial real estate offers numerous benefits, crucial for anyone looking to diversify their portfolio. At its core, commercial real estate projects are unique, tangible assets that are not fully tied to market fluctuations and often trail economic trends by 1 to 2 years. Another key reason to invest in commercial real estate is the potential for both cash flow and equity appreciation, as well as very generous tax deductions. Income generated from ongoing rents boost equity, leading to forced appreciation. Additionally, investments can be relatively passive, particularly through syndications, allowing investors to become limited partners in high-quality assets managed by professionals. The third reason on my list for commercial real estate investing is it is a powerful tool for long-term wealth and generational wealth building. Unlike residential real estate investing, where we see a lot of investors buy property with the intent of flipping that property, commercial real estate investors, especially in my experience, tend to hold on to their assets for much more long-term endeavors, with some holding on to properties for decades. While commercial investing can be quite lucrative, it's important to note that commercial real estate can be illiquid. Unlike stocks, bonds, and crypto, which can be bought or sold relatively easily, commercial properties don't share that same level of fluidity. The process of selling a commercial asset can be lengthy and complex, often taking months or even years to find the right buyer and complete the transaction. Because of this, commercial real estate is a more suitable match for investors with a long-term outlook, ready to commit capital over extended periods of time. Now you know what commercial real estate is, you know the types of property classes, and you even know some of the reasons why you should invest. But how do you make money? How I and most investors make money in commercial real estate investing is leasing property to generate cash flow. There are several types of ways to lease a property, including single net leasing, double net leasing, triple net leasing, or gross or modified gross leasing. Single net leases, also known as a net lease or an end lease, is a lease where the tenant pays the rent as well as the taxes for the property. Typically in these types of leases, the tenant would be paying a lower base rent because they're also responsible for property taxes. However, if the tenant fails to pay the taxes for the property, then you as the landlord are held accountable. Double net leases, or net leases, are the most common in commercial real estate. This is a lease agreement where the tenant pays for the property taxes and insurance in addition to their rent. Because the tenant is covering property taxes and insurance, the base rent is generally lower and maintenance costs are the landlord's responsibility. Triple net leases are where the tenant pays for the taxes, insurance, and maintenance in addition to their rent. Lastly, there are gross leases where the tenant only pays a flat rental rate that covers the fee for the space as well as any additional expenses that are required. Since this is a flat rate, The landlord pays the property taxes, insurance premiums, and maintenance costs. The other way people make money through commercial real estate investment is equity. People that don't hold on to commercial property for long-term wealth or generational wealth are typically holding on to properties for 2 to 10 years with the purpose of forcing appreciation and are selling for profit with their equity. The purpose of this video was to provide you with an introductory level understanding of commercial real estate investing. Commercial real estate offers a dynamic avenue for wealth building as it grants opportunities for substantial returns through strategic investment and management. Like any sort of investing, success in commercial real estate requires diligence, financial management, and a deep understanding of market conditions. If you're interested in commercial real estate investing and don't want to do it alone, our company, Vision Commercial Development, is always on the lookout for new investors who want to participate in groundbreaking projects. If you're interested in being part of a larger project with other investors, connect with us here at visioncommercialdevelopment.com. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment below any questions you may have or topics that you want me to discuss in the future. Thanks for watching and have a great day.